dear student, we are talking about chapter number 4, 4th, class 11, Animal Kingdom. In preview class, we are discussing about the different phylums like Porifera, Coelenterata, Platyhelminthes. Okay. Now, we are discussing in today's class our phylum, that is phylum Arthropoda. If we talk about the phylum Arthropoda, that means Arthropoda, animal with joint feet. Okay, that means in this phylum we placed those animals which have a jointed feet. What type of animal? Like prawn, pila, insect, spider, crabs, they all are came in the category of Arthropoda. The body is various shaped. Okay, each and every animal have their own body and their own shape, but their feet are jointed. Bilateral symmetry, generally which type of symmetry they show? They show bilateral symmetry. They germinative, if we talk about germinative layer, 3 germinative layer are shown, so they are triploblastic. If we talk about the organ level organization, so organ system level of organization are seen in Arthropoda. Appendages are joints. Okay, which type of appendages are seen? Joint appendages are seen. Bear in the, that means segmented bear in the appendages. Okay, generally appendages are various modified for the feeding, walking, jumping, swimming, etc. The body cavity around the visceral contain blood and is called hemocoelon. That means their body cavity are containing blood and they are called hemocoelons. The true coeloms are reduced to cavity and reproductive organ. If we talk about the body wall, so generally body wall are contain of thick chitinous cuticle, single layer of epidermis. The hard cuticle layer registered grow and periodically change during the growth. Okay, this type of common general characters are seen in a Arthropoda family. There is some more general character are saw in it, like digestive tract. They have complete digestive tract. Respiration through the body surface, but generally take place by the special structures such as gills, tracheas, book lungs, book gills, etc. Circulatory system is open type circulatory system. Body flow hemocoelon instead of blood vessels and called hemolimbs. Is colorless and contain white corpuscles. Excretory system consists of antenna or green gland opening direct to the excretion. Malignian tubule open into the gut. Nerve tissue, if we talk about nervous system, compare the circumentary ring and double solid middle ventricle nerve, cord bearing pair and ganglia per segment. Endocrine system, an endocrine system is present. Arthropoda, particularly insect, communicate by the pheromones. Reproduction, sex are separated. Fertilization is external in few aquatic form but in internal in the majority. Development, life history usually include larva form which undergo various degree of metamorphic because of the adult. Natural history, if we talk about generally, Arthropoda are found in the altitude of over 500 meter on the mountain to deep more than the 4500 meter in the sea. They occur on land, in soil, in fresh water, in water, in the body of animal as well as plant carry also the parthenogenesis, the development of the high order. Some Arthropoda show parental care and they are called parthenogenesis. Development of an unfertile egg into offspring. Fossil Arthropoda called trilobites over 600 million years ago. If we talk about the species, the Arthropoda is largest phylum of animal kingdom. Which one is the largest phylum? The Arthropoda is the largest kingdom. Okay, This is the largest kingdom. Some unique features of Arthropoda. Jointed appendages modify for a variant function. Touch and joint exoskeleton of chitinous plate. Compound eye in the most form. Malepigneal tubule for excretion in majority of cases. Power of flight in the most of the insect. This is the unique feature of Arthropoda phylum. Write down all the unique features in your copy. Some common example of Arthropoda phylum are crabs, prawns, insect, spider, scorpions, ticks, mites, etc. If we talking about the classification of phylum Arthropoda, so yes, Arthropoda is further classified into 6 classes: Criscuta, Chilopoda, Diploda, insect, Archinidia or Merostoma. So we are first discussing about crustacea. Crustacea, if we are talking about crustacea, the member of this family is prawn. The exoskeleton is hard by the impregnation with the calcium salt. Body is divided into 2 parts, head and thorax. 2 pair of antennae are shown in it. Respiration occurs by body surface or gills. Excretion takes place by green gland. Development including larva stage. Okay, prawn are the main member of this class. Other than that, crabs is also belonging to same class. The next class that is Chilopoda. If we talk about the next class, that is Chilopoda class, that means this class is also we are discussing about the second class, that is Chilopoda. Chilopoda have a following character: exoskeleton are unicalcified, body is long, flatted with 2 regions, head and trunk. They are single part of antenna. Each trunk segment bear a large pair of legs. Respiration occurs to trachea. Excretion takes place by the malepigneal tubule. Scolepedia are the member of this class. Now the third one, that is Diplopoda. Now we are talking about Diplopoda. So Diplopoda, generally they exoskeleton are calcified, body is long, cylindrical with 3 regions, head, thorax and abdominal. There is a single pair of antennae. Respiration occur by tracheates. Excretion takes place by malepigneal tubule and development is generally directed. Julsu is the main member of this class. Now the next one is Insectia. Insectia is the largest class of Animalia. It has over 7 lakh species. The insects are most successful land invertebrate and they only major companion with the human for the domestication in the world. Body have 3 regions: head, thorax and abdominal. Head bear a single pair of antennae, a pair of compound eye, mouth part adapted for various mode of feeding. Respiration occur by tracheates. Excretion takes place by malepigneal tubules. Egg has waterproof coated cheek dehydration. The class Insectia is divided into 30 order. The more important order with the common example are grasshopper, cockroach, beetles, mosquito, bugs, bees, butterflies, houseflies, fruit fly, etc. are the example of this class. Now we are talking about the fifth one. The fifth class is Archinidia. If we are talking about the fifth class, that is Archinidia class, Following characters are shown in Archinidia class. Body has two regions, cephalothorax and abdominal. There is no antenna. Cephalothorax bear two pair of mouthparts, that is called clesis cresa and pedipalpia. For feeding, four pair of walking leg. Abdominal is without appendages. Okay, the main member of this family are spider, scorpion, etc. Okay, these are the main classes of phylum Arthropoda. Phylum Arthropoda is finished. Now we are talking about phylum Mollusca. If we talk about the phylum Mollusca, that means the soft body or shelled animal. Okay, their body is soft and shelled. Body have variant of shape. Variant body shape are shown in a mollusca phylum. Germ layer are generally triplobast layer, a thinny flesh fold or outer growth of dorsal body wall more or less cover the body of this fold is called mantle. Okay, there is a special type of covering are seen in their body cavity. That special type of fold is called mantle. Respiration is generally occur by gills and the digestive tract is complete. Body cavity is divided into coeloms. Coeloms is generally related and it is represented by the cavity in the pericardium. Generally, excretory system induce 1 to 2 pairs sac-like kidney which open into the mantle cavity. Nervous system typically compare 3 pair ganglions, cerebral above the mouth, pedal in the foot and visceral in the visceral mass. Reproduction, sex are usually separate, gonad have a duct, fertilization may be external or internal. Sexual reproduction is leg. Development, life history may be direct or with a larva. Natural history, mollusca are predominant and marine. Many, however, occur in a freshwater, some even on the land. Species, mollusca is second largest animal phylum with over 1,50,000 species. Yes, 1,50,000 species. Now we are talking about the unique feature. Write down this on your copy. Write down all the topic in your copy. What we discussed? We discussed unique features. 3 body regions, head, visceral mass and foot are present in a mollusca family. This is the unique feature of mollusca phylum. A glandular fold that is mantle over the body. Calcareous shell around the body in the most of the cases. A respiring organ, the radula in the bulk cavity. These are the unique features of phylum Mollusca. If we talk about the classification, though it is also classified into 6 classes. Which 6 class is classified into 6 classes? Classified into 6 classes. Okay. What was that one? That one is first one Pelcophora. We are discussing about the class. Generally, they are classified into 6 classes. If we talk about the classified, so the first one is Pelcophora. The second one Amphiponeura. The third one Scopodia. The fourth one Gastropodia, Palisypodia, Cephalopoda. These are the main 6 class of phylum Mollusca. Some examples of mollusca family: oyster, snail, cuttlefish, etc. are the main member of mollusca family. Okay, so today we are discussing about Arthropoda and mollusca. In next class we are discussing about the next topic, that is Echinodermata. I hope so mollusca and Arthropoda is clear about you. So till the next class we meet very soon. Till Have a nice day. Goodbye, student. Enjoy your Sunday.